back to our channel. In the previous video, we have discussed about the introduction of augmented reality, virtual reality and the mixed reality. So, in this video, I am going to discuss with you about the applications of those realities. First, the augmented reality. Augmented reality interacts with the real world while overlaying a digital content on the top of it. Augmented reality applications make the customer experience and more efficient. And examples of the augmented reality are Snapchat, real estate business, etc. For example, in earlier, if you want to buy a house, we had to visit the location and check how it placed and the surroundings, etc. But by using the VR, the virtual reality headset, we can easily experience the visiting of a house. Based on the augmented reality, by using the smartphone apps like the mobile camera, we can visit the location and check the surroundings, etc. And in the stream of supermarket shopping, if you want to buy a particular product but if you don't know where the product is placed, by using the augmented reality apps for store navigation, we can easily know where the product is placed. And the next one is virtual reality. Virtual reality is a 3D environment that enables the user to experience and explore and interact with the virtual surroundings. For example, if you want to buy a car, you don't have to visit the car showroom. By having the VR headset, we can easily experience the design, interior and etc. of the car. So finally, the VR and AR are going to change the way of our shopping. And the next one is mixed reality. Mixed reality is a blend of physical and digital world. Examples of the mixed reality are design, education, etc. So where we use the mixed reality is where the cost and risk involved, more cost and more risk is involved. It can be enhanced with mixed reality. For example, military training. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to the NxtWave. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.